What is programming? In this video, I would like to explain some terms we use in programming so you get a better idea when we get into it in more detail. Many think that computers are really smart. They're not. In fact, they're as dumb as can be. What they're actually good at is calculating numbers real quickly. They don't know how to think or reason. They do exactly what we tell them to do. So, the job of a programmer is to translate real-world problems into numbers that computers can understand. A computer is like a child that will do everything you tell him to do. What you want him to do is irrelevant. The only thing that matters is what you tell him. You could draw a comparison between a computer and a child in such a way that, for example, you want the child to have a shower, so you tell the child, get in the shower, turn on the water, please use soap on your body, not the walls, use shampoo, it goes into your hair, rinse it all off with the water coming from above you, not from the toilet. Turn off the water, dry off with the towel, go to bed. The result of this is a child taking the shower in her clothes. No one told her to get undressed first. Computers are very similar in this way because they follow instructions blindly, not logically. If instructions are not precise enough, or if there are some steps missing, it's the fault of the programmer for not being clear or detailed enough. A computer program is a list of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Everything a computer does is done by using a computer program. A computer program is written in a programming language. Programming language is a formal constructed language designed to communicate instructions to a machine, particularly a computer. Programming languages can be used to create programs to control the behavior of a machine or to express algorithms. Examples of programming languages are Python, Java, C++, C, or Haskell, and many more. A compiler is a special program that processes statements written in a particular programming language and turns them into machine language or code that a computer's processor uses. Typically, a programmer writes language statements in a language such as Pascal or C, one line at a time using an editor. The file that is created contains what are called the source statements. The programmer then runs the appropriate language compiler, specifying the name of the file that contains the source statements. Command line is sometimes referred to as the command screen or a text interface. The command line is a user interface that is navigated by typing commands at prompts instead of using the mouse. Simple program that prints out hello, how are you today, wrote in a Java language would look like this. So first you have public class hello, and then you have public static void main string args, and then you have system out print line, which stands print ln starts for print line. Hello, how are you today? So first you created a class and set it to public. Second line is mandatory, but we won't get into detail with this until later. And third line is the key line, which is responsible for printing out the sentence we told it to print. This is just a simple program to give you an idea of how it looks like. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll watch our next video about variables.